Welcome to Pure Brazilian. We're going to take you through a step-by-step on how to complete a professional smoothing blowout using our original Reconstructor solution. Step 1. Open the cuticle. Wash hair with Pure Brazilian anti-residue shampoo. Step 1. Focus on hairline, nape of neck, and mid-shaft to end. Let sit on hair for 5 minutes to penetrate the cuticle. Repeat if necessary until hair has a squeaky clean feeling. Step 2. Towel dry the hair. Hair should be damp but not too wet or too dry. Use a blow dryer if needed. Step 3. Divide the hair into 4 sections using clips. You will start applying from the nape to the top. Start with 1/4 ounce or 7 grams of Pure Brazilian Reconstructor Step 2 solution into your color bowl. Add more if necessary, but this is usually enough. Step 4. Starting at the nape, using 1/4 to 1/2 inch subsections, use applicator brush to lightly dust the Reconstructor into a section of hair. Apply root to end, but do not apply directly to the scalp. Comb through with a fine-tooth comb to remove excess product. Apply evenly to each section until all hair is coated. Step 5. Blow dry hair 100% using a round brush or paddle brush. Get the hair as smooth as possible. Step 6. Section the hair into 4 sections. Depending on the condition of the hair, the flat iron's temperature should start at 300 degrees. Using 2 to 3 inch sections, flat iron from root to end using consistent pressure. Hair will shimmer and glisten in 2 or 3 passes, sometimes 4. Step 7. Rinse the Reconstructor solution from the hair for 2 to 3 minutes using lukewarm water. No need to shampoo, just rinse. Steps 8 and 9. Apply the Pure Brazilian Deep Conditioning Mask, Step 3, liberally. Let sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse. Spray Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner evenly through hair. Step 10. Blow dry using fingers, then style as desired. Step 11. Be sure your client uses the home care products to optimize treatment and ensure long-lasting results.
I'll just keep dancing here and I don't spin the mud.
Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing your beautiful hair transformations. For more inspiration and to join our community, please be sure to follow us on social media.